Hi students, today let's do exercise 1.1, find the product. Today we are going to do exercise 1.1. This is from lesson number 1, integers. Okay, lesson's title is integers. Exercise 1.1, find the product. Find the product. Before going into the exercise, just we'll see that what is an integer. It is the combination of negative integers, negative numbers, the combination of negative numbers and natural numbers along with 0 is called integers. To do the exercise 1.1, find the product, first thing we should know what is integers. What is integers? The combination of negative numbers and natural numbers along with 0 is called integers. Now let's go to the exercise 1.1. First question, find the product. Sub-question number 1 is 14 into 9. We have to find the product of 14 and 9. 14 into 9. Let's write down 14 into 9. 9 fours are 36. 1 balance. 9 ones are 9 plus 3, 12. The answer is 126. Next sub-question is 15 into minus 16. Now here, in the first sub-question, if you notice, you will know both the numbers, they are positive. Both the integers are positive. So there is no problem in multiplying. Okay, it is easy. Usually we do that. Here, one is positive and one is negative. When this kind of questions comes with unlike signs, then what we have to do is we have to remove the sign. Otherwise, we say find the absolute value of the negative integer. Finding absolute value is nothing but without the sign. We have to do the multiplication. This is positive integer, this is negative integer. Negative integer's absolute value we have to find out and then do the multiplication. After getting the product, we have to give the sign of this negative integer sign. Negative sign we have to give to the product. That is what we have to do here. So here we have to find the absolute value. Absolute value of this minus 16 is just without sign. 16 is the number. So Then we have to do the multiplication. That is 15 into 16. 6 5s are 30, 3 balance. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. Then do the addition. 0, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 balance, 1 plus 1, 2. Here we got the product 240. After doing this, we have to see this here. One is negative integer. So the product will be negative. Okay. Minus 240 is the answer. This is how this kind of questions comes. We have to do the multiplication. Our next sub question is minus 25 into 9. Minus 25 into 9. Again here, this is negative integer. We have to find the absolute value of this number. The absolute value, finding absolute value is easy, just without sign. That is absolute value. Okay, so here 25 into 9, we have to multiply 25 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 balance. 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22. 225. So how we will write here? After finding the product, when we multiply unlike signs or negative integer and positive integer, then when we do, after finding the product, we have to give the negative sign. So minus 225 is our answer. Next question is minus 83. Minus 83 into 0. Here we already learned any number when you multiply by 0, our answer will be, or the product will be 0. In this case, we don't need to bother about whether it is negative integer or positive integer, because we are multiplying by 0. So the answer will be always 0. Next question. Minus 125. Minus 125 into minus 8. Here both the integers are negative. We have to find the absolute value and then multiply. After getting the product, after multiplication we get the product, then we have to write the answer. How here it is, both are negative integers. So minus into minus is equal to plus. So our answer will be in positive integer here. Okay. So first what we have to do, find the absolute value, that is without sign. So 125 into, this also absolute value, when we take it is just 8. After getting the product or after finding the product, since both the integers are negative, the rule is minus into minus is equal to plus. So our product will be in positive integer. Let's do. 8 5s are 40. 4 balance. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20. 2 balance. 8 1s are 8 plus 2, 10. So our product is 1000. Here, since both the indices are negative, the product will be in positive. So 1000 is our answer. Next question. Minus 54 into minus 54 into minus 1. Here you see, we have already learned when we multiply by 1. Any number when you multiply by 1, the product will be the number. Okay. So here, but one difference is there, that is both the integers are negative. So our product will be in positive. How? Why? Because this is both are negative integers. The rule is minus into minus is equal to plus. So when we multiply 54 by 1, the answer or the product will be 54, and that too positive. Okay, that is what here. First thing we have to find the absolute value. Minus 54 absolute value is 54. Minus 1 absolute value is 1. So 54 into 1 is equal to 54. The sign is positive. Why? Because minus into minus is equal to plus. So our final answer is 54. That is positive integer. Next question. 3 into 6 into minus 9. 6 into minus 9. How to do this? Here there are two integers which are positive and then one is negative. First we'll do this. 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Then into minus 9. 18 into minus 9. Here what we have to do? We have to find the absolute value of this minus 9. Minus 9's absolute value is 9. So 18 into 9. We have to multiply 18 by 9. 9 8s are 72. 7 by 9 1s are 9 plus 7. 60. So our answer is here 162. After finding this product, we have to give the negative sign. Why? Because two unlike signs here. Both the integers are different. One is positive and one is negative. So after finding the product, we will assign this minus sign. So 162. Here 162 and we'll give the negative sign. So minus 162 is our final answer. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.